Welcome to the Alam La Popo channel. In today's video, we will discuss why US manufacturers are quietly moving production back home. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Many US companies are shifting production back home due to rising global uncertainty. Disruptions in global supply chains have pushed manufacturers to rethink their strategies. The pandemic exposed how fragile long international supply chains can be. Companies realized they cannot rely solely on distant suppliers for critical materials. Rising labor costs in Asia have made offshore production less profitable. Automation and robotics now allow us factories to produce more with fewer workers. Advanced manufacturing technology reduces the cost gap between the US and cheaper countries. Many companies want tighter control over quality and production speed. Being closer to customers enables faster delivery and better service. US consumers increasingly prefer products labeled "Made in USA." Manufacturers are responding to this growing demand for locally made goods. Government incentives also encourage companies to move production back. Tax credits and grants make reshoring more financially attractive. Some states offer additional support such as workforce training programs. Companies want to reduce geopolitical risks that impact overseas operations. Conflicts, trade wars, and sanctions make overseas production unpredictable. Reshoring helps companies avoid long shipping times and expensive freight costs. Shipping bottlenecks and port delays have become too frequent. Companies realize they can save time by producing closer to distribution centers. Some manufacturers want more transparency within their supply chains. Local production makes it easier to monitor suppliers and ensure compliance. Environmental concerns are also influencing reshoring decisions. Shorter supply chains help companies reduce their carbon footprint. Many brands want to improve sustainability and meet green standards. Producing closer to home helps companies respond faster to market trends. Reshoring allows companies to innovate and test products more quickly. Faster feedback loops give us manufacturers a competitive advantage. With all these factors combined, manufacturers are quietly shifting production back to a soil. Many companies report improved communication when teams and factories are located in the same country. Miscommunication across time zones often cause delays and costly errors. Domestic production lets companies solve problems in hours instead of days. Reshoring also protects companies from intellectual property theft. US companies feel safer producing sensitive technologies at home. Cybersecurity concerns have also pushed firms to reduce offshore exposure. Companies want better control over their proprietary designs and software. Many businesses discovered hidden costs in offshore production that were not apparent at first. Quality issues, rework, travel expenses, and delays made offshoring less efficient. Some manufacturers return because domestic suppliers have improved significantly. Local suppliers now offer better technology, reliability, and faster turnaround times. Skilled US workers are also becoming more available as training programs expand. Companies benefit from having a stable, knowledgeable workforce close to their operations. Reshoring fosters stronger relationships with local partners and communities. Communities welcome manufacturing jobs that stimulate local economies. Many manufacturers see reshoring as an investment in long-term stability. Reducing dependency on foreign suppliers helps companies stay competitive during crises. Shorter supply chains mean faster adjustments when markets shift unexpectedly. Manufacturers also want to boost national resilience and strengthen US industry. Many leaders believe that producing at home helps maintain technological leadership. Reshoring supports innovation by integrating R&D and production under one roof. Companies can experiment faster when production is close to engineering teams. Stronger integration leads to improved product quality and faster breakthroughs. Many firms see reshoring as essential for future competitiveness. Market trends show that quiet reshoring will continue to grow in the coming years. Companies that adapt early will gain stronger control, stability, and innovation power. Reshoring is not a loud announcement. It's a strategic long-term shift. And that is why U.S. manufacturers are quietly moving production back home.